Good day everyone. This is supply chain management, solving about reorder point and economic order quantity. Good day everyone. I am Sarito Gonzaga. I'm from HM502. The ROP, if the restaurant's expected daily usage is 400 jars of honey, the anticipated delivery is 15 to 20 days. Place the reorder inventory on June 14. When will the company place the order? When will it arrive? And what are the safety stock date? ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stock equals 400 jars per day times 15 to 20 days plus 400 jars of honey times 5. This is the 400 jars times 15 days plus 400 times 5. It will become 6,000 plus 2,000, and our final ROP is equals 2,000 jars of honey. Place order June 14, lead time 15 to 20 days. Order will arrive on June 29. June 29, 15 days minimum order lead time. And the last one, safety stock dates, June 29 to July 4, 5 days. For our EOQ, we have here number of chicken drumstick per kilo required annually, 8,200 kilos. Cost of placing an order, 350 pesos. Annual carrying cost per year of inventory is 3 pesos. We're going to determine the following: A. AOQ. B. Number of orders per year. C. Total ordering cost. D. Average inventory. E. Total carrying cost per year. F. Total costs. For our EOQ equals square root times 2 times O times N, and then 2 times 350 pesos, and after that you need to times by 8,200 kilos, and after that you need to divide it by 3 pesos, and the answer will become 1,913,333.33. And then after that you need to press the square root in your scientific calculator, so the answer will become AOQ equals 1,383.23 kilos. Number of orders per year. NO equals N divide EOQ. NO equals 8,200 kilos, this one. And then this is the EOQ, 1,383.23 kilos. And then you need to divide this two, so the answer will become number of orders 5.92. Total cost per year. TOC equals NO times OC. TOC equals 5.92, your answer earlier in number of orders, times 350, this one. And then after you multiply this one, your TOC answer will become 2,072 pesos. Average inventory. EI equals EOQ divide 2, the given, and then you need to put your EOQ and 1,383.23 kilos, and then divide into, so your AI answer will become 691.61 kilos. Total carrying cost per year. TCC equals EI times CC. TCC equals your EI, 691.61 kilos, times 3 pesos, this one. And then your answer in TCC will become 2,074.83 pesos. TC equals TOC plus TCC. TC equals 2,072 your TOC plus 2,074.83 your TCC. After you add these ones, your answer will become TC 4,146.83 pesos. Thank you viewers for watching Listen and Learn.